welcome back to my channel, Skin First Daily. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of my first Rolex watch. And a little gift as well. Yay! Alright, let's get into the video. Start by saying the customer service at Rolex was exceptional. Way better than my experience at Cartier. They were so pleasant. Because it was my first Rolex watch, they gifted me with this cute box. So let's open it. Let's unbox this first. Everybody loves gifts, don't we? They gifted me with a Rolex leather card holder. Don't know if they do this to everybody, but I just thought that was super nice and super sweet of them. So thanks, Rolex. So to the main event. Slide it out of this Rolex branded box. So it comes with a travel pouch. So basically when you put it in your bag or when you're traveling, you don't have to carry this big box with you and you can just put it in this pouch. It's safe in your bag without being scratched. So now to the big vibrant green box. Let's see what's in it. Whoa. So when you open the box, it reveals the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust 31 in Oyster steel and yellow gold, featuring a champagne color dial and a Jubilee bracelet. It's such a stunning watch. It's so beautiful. So let's start with the bracelet. The bracelet is the two-tone flat three-piece Jubilee bracelet. It's made out of 18 karat gold and of course Rolex's famous Oyster steel. So the Jubilee bracelet has a 5-piece link, making that woven tight link look compared to like the Rolex's basic Oyster bracelet. So something nice about this watch is that the folding Oyster clasp with the Rolex crown as a seal makes it look like a bracelet. Rolex normally would size the watch to your wrist, removing any excess links, so you get a perfect fit. Like the watch is yours. It's like fits to your wrist. So the crown features the wine lock double waterproofness system, which of course makes the watch water resistant. But who's wearing this watch in water? Not me. So the battery stops about 2 days after not wearing the watch. So basically you have to set it all over again every time you take it off. So it's kind of annoying when you switch watches a lot because then you always have to adjust the time. That's the only about this watch, but everything else is perfect. I got the watch in the champagne color dial. I just like that because I wear a lot of gold jewelry. So that was like the perfect color for my watch. It is fitted with a domed bezel. I wanted a clean, smooth look, so I went with the domed. But now I think I should have gotten the fluted bezel instead because it has a more rigid look. And what I'm starting to see is that my dome gets scratched easily, while if I had the fluted bezel, I wouldn't be able to see the scratches as prominent as this one. But aesthetically, this watch has a very, very elegant profile and I am in love. I got the 31mm, which was a perfect size for me. I have a small wrist, so anything smaller looked like a bracelet, and I was like, I'm not going to spend all that money to wear a bracelet. But then anything over, which I think was the 36 or the 41, just ended up looking a bit too big for me. So I just like the 31. The 31mm was right on the money. I'm not gonna lie, I am so in love with this watch because it is everything. So what else can I say? It's a spectacular piece. You can never go wrong with a Rolex. It's a great investment piece. Yes. You can pass it on from generations to generation. Yes. It has a great resale value. Yes. I mean, it's a Rolex. Like, it's luxury, baby. So what do you guys think? Would this be your ideal first luxury watch? If not, what is? And if you already have one, what was your first luxury watch? Leave your answer in the comment box below, okay? Looking down on my wrist just reminds me of how much hard work I put in, you know, kind of gives me the motivation to keep going, achieving goals, manifesting the things that I want in my life. And honestly, I love this watch. This was a great choice. It was an awesome choice. It reminds me of hard work, dedication, drive. So cheers. First of all, cheers to God's grace, because without him, all this wouldn't be possible. Cheers to boss moves, to my fellow boss ladies. I salute y'all. And cheers to many more celebrations. So cheers. Clink. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't liked the video already, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I want you to continue to watch my videos and support me by subscribing and liking this video and watching it till this point. So I'll see you all in the next video. As always, peace and love. Mwah. Bye.